It is November and it's Thanksgiving, so we are preparing a lot of food. We are making a feast. Do you know what feast is? Feast is when the family gather together and make a lot of food. Are you hungry, Aura?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. So I'm making a salad. Aura?
I'm making a chef. I'm a chef.
Okay, yeah. So what is this?
It's I don't know what this.
It's a cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce.
Yeah. Can I taste it? If you are a good chef or not. Yeah, you're doing a great job, Aura. What was this? Let's see. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's a mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Did you taste it? Look at it, is it ready or not? Look at it, is it ready or not? It's hot. Be careful. It's hot. How was it?
It smells so good.
It smells so good. Yeah, it smells so good. So, okay, yeah.
Boxy.
Yes.
I'm a chef.
Yeah, you are a chef. You are a good chef, Aura. Good job. I made a mess here. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay. Aura, do you like turkey?
Yeah, I like to.
Okay. So, this is our turkey. We're gonna put it in the oven. Okay. Okay, Aura. Let's put the turkey in the oven. I'm so hungry. Okay, let's put a timer. All right. So we have the mashed potato here ready. So we have the cranberry ready too. Just gonna wait for the turkey to be ready, okay? Until the turkey get ready, so we are going to do some Thanksgiving craft. We are going to make placemat, okay? So this is for Aaron, this is for me. So we have pumpkins. Yeah, pumpkins. We're gonna stick the pumpkins and the leaves. Look, we have different colors of leaves. Do you know why we have different colors of leaves? Or do you know why you have different colors of leaves? Yeah, because it is fall. So we have red color, and we have orange, and we have green and yellow, and all these colorful leaves. Okay, Aura. So which leaf do you like? Which one do you want to stick?
I like red.
You like red? So we have different shape too. So look at there. We have different shape too. Which one do you want to pick? Just pick the one you want, okay? And let's glue it. Placemat is pink, and Aura's placemat is, what is this color, Aura? It's a blue, yeah. Now it is time for the fun part. You're gonna put on your hand some paint, and we're gonna make a turkey shape, okay? Alright, the brush. Okay, I'll just try to open it wide like this. Okay.
It's my hand.
Yeah, this is in your hand. And making a turkey shape.
It's a turkey shape. Yeah. But my hands are dirty.
Okay, we're going to wash our hand. Alright, now our hand is clean. The eyes. Okay. So we made 2 placemats. We'll put them here. So you're gonna wait until they dry. And now we're going to make our turkey. Where do you want to put the turkey, Ara? You wanna put it in this wall?
Yeah.
Okay. I made all the parts of the turkey. So this is the body of the turkey. Are you excited, Ara?
Yeah.
Do you like Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving.
You like Thanksgiving? What do you like Thanksgiving, Ara?
It's like all the food.
Do you like the food in Thanksgiving? Yeah. We make a lot of food in Thanksgiving. So this is the body of our turkey. This is the wing. This is with the wings.
The wings can't fly. This. In the sky and then fly fast to
But
fly.
turkey cannot fly, Ara. I think because they are big and their wings cannot help them fly. They have a big body. See the wings? They're small. You see the body? It's too big. Yeah. That's why they cannot fly. What is this, Ara?
Is a foot.
Yeah, the foot. So 1 foot here. Where's the other one? Oh, that's the one. Okay, alright. Good job. Other foot. What is this?
Is a nose.
No, it's not a nose. It's called beak. Okay? It's good job, Ara. Do you like your turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can write all the things that you are thankful for. Family.
But I'm so hungry.
Okay, when the turkey is ready, we are going to eat. Okay. So second thing is
Friends.
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 So, what other things that you are thankful for, Ara?
I don't know this.
What about the happy moment? Yeah. Say happy
Happy?
moment. Happy moment.
Happy moment.
Let's spell it together. H
H
A
A
P P Y M
M
O M E N
N
T
T
S.
S.
Good job. What else, Ara?
Toys.
Toys.
What is this? What is
Toys.
toys? Yeah.
The last thing. I'm sure that there's a lot of things to be thankful, but what else you are thankful for, Ara? Put it here. You know, Ara, in Thanksgiving we celebrate for the all blessing from the preceding year and the harvest. You know what the harvest is?
This.
Harvest.
This harvest.
The harvest is to collect what has been planted and grown in the ground, like fruit, vegetables, grains, all these. Let's prepare the table, Ara.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry. So this is your plate, Ara. This is my plate. Okay. Look at to the turkey. Whoa. Oh, yeah, the turkey's ready. Yum, 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 yum. Now it's time to eat. Let's go sit down, Ara. Put this for you. I'm gonna put this big piece for myself.
What is this?
So this is a turkey.
No, I want turkey. This.
Okay. Alright. Why the small piece, Ara, for me? I'm hungry. I want a big piece.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ara. So I'm gonna put some salad for you. And some salad for myself. Okay. Oh, do you like corn? Do you like corn? Yeah. One for you, Ara. One for me. Do you like beans?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, me too. These are green beans. They are delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Lemon. Do you like lemon, Ara?
Yeah, I like
Take
this.
one. Me too. Can you taste it?
Yum.
They taste it. Oh, it's sour. Can you taste it? Delicious. The taste is sour for the lemon. So we have bread. Wanna take a piece of bread, Ara?
Yeah.
Piece of bread for you and a piece of bread for me. Do you like the cranberry sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. Put some cranberry sauce for you and for me. Okay, what else we have? A mashed potato. Okay, whoa. Oh, Ara, your plate is full. Mine too. My plate is really full now. And this is a pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin pie. You love pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put it here. That's delicious. This is a lot of food. I wish you were here with us and eating with us.
I'm full.
Yeah, now it's time to what? To clean the dishes, washing the dishes. We are not gonna throw the food away. We're just gonna put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow because there is a lot of food, and we should have invited more people. Okay, let's sit down and I will tell you some information about Thanksgiving.
Pumpkin pie. Where's the pumpkin pie?
Are you hungry? Do you want to eat the pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring the pumpkin pie for you. You can eat the pumpkin pie.
Ara, do you know a lot of countries celebrate Thanksgiving? In some countries, they have a different name, date, and tradition for this holiday. But for all, it is a day for people to give thanks for what they have. In the United States, we celebrate on the fourth Thursday of November, the day after, also known as Black Friday.
In Thanksgiving, families and friends get together for a meal which traditionally include a roast turkey, stuffing, potatoes, vegetables, cranberry sauce, gravy, and pumpkin pie.
Delicious.
You wanna eat?
Eat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
If you liked watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friend. If you want to see more of my video, click on subscribe button and turn the notification on. See you soon. Bye.